Hi guys, welcome back. How have you been? Okay, as usual, we have beautiful questions to solve today. In the previous class, don't forget that we have started solving exponential equations. So we have solved some equations in example one. So this is example two. In this example two, we are going to solve all these questions as well. If you remember in the last video, the last part I asked you to solve one. I hope you have done that. Don't forget, you can post your solution. And of course, if you need solution, or maybe you want to actually compare the results that you have obtained with the real result, just for you to check if you have gotten it. You can do it in two ways. Maybe you can request for it, or you can also check. This is an equation. It's very easy. Whatever the value you get for the unknown, I remember in that question, the unknown we have there is y. Just substitute that result, the value you get for that you obtain for y, substitute it for the left hand side, the expression you have at the left hand side, the expression you have at the right hand side, substitute it. Compare, they must have the same result. If they don't give you the same result, that means that value of y is not correct. So let's continue, everyone. So let's start with the first question. So we have as usual, I will give you this last one again today to solve, okay, as an exercise. That means together we are solving these first four, A to D. So let's start. Now, for the A part, we have 8 raised to power what? 2x minus what? 1 equal what? Equal to 1 all over 5, 1, 2. Everybody, just like the way we have been doing from the previous video. Of course, we can do this thing in different ways, but the simplest way is this. I can say 8 raised to power 2x minus 1. I can simplify this. Can I express 512 as power of 8? Of course, yes. So this is what? 8 raised to power 3. 8 raised to power 3 is 8 times 8 times 8. So I will get 512. Very beautiful. So I can now say, okay, wow, this is lovely. We can all see the solution from here. Very simple. So I can now say 8 raised to power 2x minus 1, okay, equal to what? Equal to what? I can express this one as what? 8 raised to power minus 3. You remember that law, one of those laws. So I can say 8 raised to power minus 3 is 1 over 8 raised to power 3. I can change this one back to this, and I can change this one back to this. Very easy. Now the bases are equal. Therefore, I have 2x minus 1, okay, equal to what? Minus 3. Are you with me? Then from here, that is, the bases are equal, then the power are equal. So 2x will now become, transfer minus 1 to this side. It will now become what? Plus 1. So 2x will now become what? Minus 3 plus 1, everybody. Good. That's what? Minus 2. Divide both sides by 2 because we want to get the value of x. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we now have 2x divided by 2 equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 will cancel 2. 2 will cancel 2. X will now become minus 1. Wow, everybody, that's lovely. Now, mind you, this is the first approach. I can use another approach if you like. So, for example, I can say, okay, I can say, or for that same question, 8 raised to power what? 2x minus 1 equal to 1 all over 5, 1, 2. So that means 8 raised to power 2x minus 1 equal to what? 1 all over 8 raised to power of 3. Very simple. Now, look at this, everybody. I can do something. This is like over 1. I can cross multiply. I can say cross what? Cross multiply. 8 raised to power 2x minus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power 3 equal to 1 times 1. That is 1. This times this, it gave us this at the left hand side. 1 times 1, it gave us 1. Then you remember one of that law, the first law of indices. I will pick one of the 8. So 8 then into 2x minus 1 plus 3 equal to what? Equal to 1. Beautiful. Now, this is 8 raised to power what? 2x minus 1, that's 2x, minus 1 plus 3, that's what? Plus 2, equal to what? 1. Now, everybody, this is lovely. I have 8 raised to power something here, but I have 1 here. What will now happen? Can I express 1 as 8 raised to power something? Yes, I can say 1 is 8 raised to power 0. Wow, that's beautiful. You remember, any value that is raised to power of 0 is what? Is 1. But that value must not be 0. Don't forget the exception, the condition. I will now say, since 8 raised to power 0 is 1, comma, therefore 8 raised to power 2x plus 2 equal to 8 raised to power 0. So that means this equation and this one, we have not changed anything because 8 raised to power 0 will still give us what? 1. Then the powers are what? The bases are equal, therefore the powers are equal. 2x plus what? 2 equal to 0. Beautiful. Are you with me, everyone? That's good. Now, what do we do? So let me clean this one. Yeah, we have already gotten the result. We are just using another approach. So we now have what? Everyone, 2x plus 2. I can transfer 2 to the other side. So 2x will now become minus 2. Now divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 cancel 2. X is equal to what? Minus 1. Wow, this is beautiful. Are we all together? Exactly. So this is the second approach. Now let's go forward. The B part. What do we have in B part? 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Very simple. I can just say 5 raised to power 2x minus 4. I can transfer minus 1 to the other side. Of course, it will become positive 1. Lovely. Wow. What do you observe? Just like the one we just concluded, that one is method 2 that we just used for that first question. So I can express 1 as 5 raised to power 0. I will now say 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 equal to 5 raised to power 0. Beautiful. I can now say, since the bases are equal, therefore, the power will also be equal. Are you getting it, everyone? Lovely. So, from here, I can now say that 2x is equal to what? 2x is equal to 4. We transfer minus 4 to the other side, okay? Now, after that, what do we get, everybody? Then I will now have what? Divide both sides by what? By 2. Simple. So 2x divided by 2 equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. So x is equal to what? 2. Beautiful. Don't forget, we can always check. We can substitute. So just to check. Okay, the next one is the C part. I hope you are following me, everyone. You can just watch it with a slow motion, then you can recheck again. So the explanation will give you more details. So let's go. 27 raised to power what? 27 raised to power x equal what? 1 all over 9 into brackets 3 raised to power x minus what? 1. Beautiful. In fact, sometimes when you see some of these questions, your brain will be like, oh, I can express something. I can simplify something to 3 raised to power something. Very easy. I have 3 raised to power here. I know that definitely 9 too can be expressed as 3 raised to power something. I know 27 can be expressed as 3. Once that one is clear, everything is simple. Although when we get to logarithm, you see how we have some that you'll not be able to express them, but we can solve them using logarithm. We still get there. Now, what do we do? Because, okay, this guy can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3, then times x. Are you with me? This x that you have here, 27 is 3 raised to power 3, equal to what? 1 over 3 raised to power 2, then times this bracket also means multiplication. Raised to power 3x minus 1, okay? Then this is 3 raised to power 3x equal to, so this one I can say this is over 1. So it will now become 1 times 3 raised to power x minus 1. That's 3 raised to power x minus 1. Divided by 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 2 times 1. That's 3 raised to power 2. Now I can now say that 3 raised to power 3x equal to what? If I use one of those laws, the law 2, okay? I will now say this is what? Pick one of the 3. Then x minus 1 minus 2. Then I will now have 3 raised to power 3x equal to what? 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 2. That's x minus 3. So the bases are equal. What does that mean? The powers are equal. I will now have 3x is equal to what? X minus 3. Beautiful. Very beautiful, okay? Now, what do we have, everybody? So now, I will now say 3x. I can transfer x to this side. It will now become minus x equal to what? Minus 3. Can you see that, everybody? 3x minus x. You know, it's like we are collecting like terms. That is, this one has x, this one that has x, bring it to this one to come and join its colleague. So it will now be 3x minus that's 2x equal to what? Minus 3. Divide both sides. Of course, I want to get x. Divide both sides by coefficient of x, which is 2. So 2x divided by 2 equal to minus 3 over 2. So 2 cancel 2. X will now be minus 3 all over 2. Okay, minus 3 over 2. And that's what? Minus 1 number 1 all over 2. Beautiful, everyone. That's lovely. Now we can now move to what? The last one that we have for today. Then you can do the E part. Okay, let's go, everyone. D, we have what? 27 raised to power what? D, right? X minus 3 equal to what? 3 times what? 9 raised to power x minus 2. What do we have? Let's go. I can simplify this one as 3 raised to power 3 into bracket x minus 3, okay, equal to what? 3 times what? 3 raised to power 2 into bracket x minus 2. That is how to simplify, okay? You express this one as power of 3 fourths, express 9 as power, then you continue. Then I can say 3 raised to power 3 times x, 3x, minus 3 times 3, that's 27, right? 3 times 3, sorry, that's what? 9. So that's 9, equal to what? This 3 times what? 3 raised to power 2, make sure you do what? 2, you open the bracket, 2x, minus 2 times 3, that's 4. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 2, minus 4. Very beautiful. Are you getting it? So what do we have now, everybody? So we now have 3 raised to power 3x minus what? Minus 9, isn't it? Equal to what? Look at what you can do here. I can pick one of them. 3. What is power here? 1, plus everything here. That's 2x minus 4. Beautiful. So this is 3 raised to power 3x minus 9 equal to what? 3 raised to power. This is let me write 2x first. Then 1 minus 4. That's minus 3. Okay, I'm collecting like term. That is this one, constant term, combine them. 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. Then 2x, this is 2x. Now, beautiful. The two bases are what? Equal. What does that mean? The powers are equal. Therefore, 3x minus 9. Therefore, 3x minus 9 equal to what? 2x minus 3. Beautiful. Collect like terms. So, collect what? Collect like terms. Okay. Then I will bring 2x to this side. So, 3x minus 2x is equal to, I want to transfer 2x to this side. I've done that. Then minus 3 still remain in this right hand side. Then I want to transfer minus 9 to the other side. It will become plus 9. We just did two things. Transfer 2x to this side, it will become minus 2x. Transfer minus 9 to go and meet minus 3, it will become plus 9, okay? 3x minus 2x, everybody, that's 1x. That's x is equal to what? Minus 3 plus 9 is the same thing as what? 9 minus 3, that's what? 6. Wow! That is beautiful, everyone. This is lovely. So, everyone, thanks for watching. That was good. So, it has been a wonderful session. So, please, the E part, I want you to solve that. Make sure you try it, and I will need your solution. That's very great. So, please, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget, we still have courses on what? Python and Java as well. So, stay tuned. Okay, that is that about that for now. In the next video, mind you, we are going to do what? We still solve more questions because we still have so many things, some other questions under exponential. So this is example 2. We still solve more questions as far as exponential equations are concerned in the next video. Thank you. Bye.